Fixing system files in Windows requires running multiple obscure commands. But what if you could do all of this with a single click? That is the promise of a free app called Wintoys. But with the history of PC optimizers being complete snake oil, is this one any different? First up, cleaning junk files. Now our baseline is Windows' own tools. You have the classic disk cleanup, which is effective but very vague. And you also have the newer storage sense, which automates the whole process. They work, but they don't give you very much detail. Now let's apply the solution, which is Wintoys Cleaner, found in the Health section. You can find it under Cleanup, and if we go to Storage and hit the little trash can icon, you'll see that it cleans roughly the same amount of data as the built-in Windows tools. So we'll click System, it will get everything for us here, and we can also include browser cache and others, which in that others, it includes widgets. Then we just hit delete, and it shows you how many files were deleted and how big they were. Now this is a massive upgrade in the user experience. Wintoys provides a line-by-line proof of what it found and where it found it, and you see exactly what you're deleting before you do anything. Windows, by comparison, operates like a black box. Now for this round, it is a draw on raw cleaning power, but Wintoys gets a decisive victory for transparency and control. Next is uninstalling apps. Our baseline for this round is of course going to be the Windows built-in installed apps in the settings. When you uninstall a program this way, it oftentimes leaves behind a bunch of junk and empty folders still in your system. Wintoys' solution is in its Apps section, which shows more of the apps and system components that are harder to find in the installed apps in the Windows settings. Now this immediately gives you more of a picture of what exactly is on your machine. And for broken or stubborn apps, it gives you an option to forcefully remove them, which can be an absolute lifesaver. But is it really doing a deep clean? The uninstaller is more of a powerful front end than a scrubbing tool. It doesn't appear to run any script for any leftover files left on the system. Now this is likely to prioritize safety, as super aggressive scrubbing and cleaning can break some dependencies for other applications. For most users, Wintoys is a safer and far better experience than the default Windows tools, especially for removing stubborn apps. But if you demand that every last trace of the program that you're trying to uninstall is completely gone, a dedicated tool like Revo Uninstaller, which runs those deep leftover scans, still holds the edge here. Now this is where we test some potential downsides. The services and tweaks section of Wintoys offers the most power and therefore the most risk. The services tab helps you find and disable background processes that may be eating up system resources, like the print spooler for a PC that's never even been connected to a printer, and it conveniently filters them from what is likely to be the safest to disable. The tweaks section goes even further. It offers a menu of things that users most often request but are hard to implement. Here you can disable telemetry and even turn off ads in the settings menu. Or you can even enable options to fully uninstall Microsoft Edge. These tweaks normally require lots of command line knowledge or risky registry edits. However, this power comes with a major warning. Wintoys is essentially handing you the keys for the car, but not giving you a manual. Disabling the wrong service, no matter how useless it sounds, can break critical system functions. And this isn't a make my PC faster button. It's a control panel for PC users who know what they're doing. And these changes stick even after a reboot. But a major Windows update could roll these back or create conflicts in the system. It seems that Wintoys provides incredible convenience, but it does not replace knowledge. It is an incredibly powerful tool, but the responsibility for using it correctly does fall on you. Finally, let's look at the system repair functions. Now, Windows does have a lot of built-in tools for this, but they can be very intimidating for certain users because they are command line tools. SFC to fix system files, DISM to repair the core Windows image, and check disk to check the drive for errors. And for most people, using these is out of the question. Now, Wintoys' solution is brilliantly simple. It takes these three essential utilities and puts them into their Health tab, and it gives each one a simple one-click button. For example, you click one button and simply run an SFC scan on your system. The alternative is opening a command prompt with admin privileges and manually typing sfc/scan now. Wintoys is literally just running these tools for you in a clean and accessible interface. There really is no functional downside here. The result is that critical system maintenance becomes available to everyone, regardless of their technical skill. And for this feature alone, Wintoys justifies its place on your PC. So after putting it to the test, is Wintoys actually worth it? The clear verdict is yes, with an asterisk. Now, Wintoys is not just snake oil. It is a well-designed and clean interface to put all of those scattered Windows toys in one interface. It doesn't promise to magically improve your performance, it promises convenience, and on that front, it wins. But here is the asterisk. Wintoys is just an assistant. It cannot fix problems caused by old hardware or malware. It gives you the control, but you are still the one making the changes. If this helped you clean up your PC and give you some peace of mind, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.